new one, insert it, release the slide and fire, okay? You're going to take this dot, put it between these dots right there, you see? Aim for the center mass. Thumbs out, lean forward, fire. You got it?
How am I holding?
It's like this. Alright, on up. Hands on the weapon, thumbs together. Alright, squeeze your palms together, extend your arms out. Spread your feet out apart a little more. Lean forward towards your target. I'm going to cock the hammer back for you. Now all you got to do is just squeeze the trigger towards center mass. Good, very good. You're doing fine. Remember, don't anticipate the trigger pulls. That's where I want them, alright? Very good. Do what I tell you. Most seems to win.
Wow, nice shot.
Bullseye. Alright. Anyone else need help? You do. Get your ear, get your eyes. Yeah, it is.